So C is the midpoint of AB and P is any point outside AB, then four options are there. Therefore, C is the midpoint here, P is outside the point AB. Then using a midpoint formula, so PC is equal to, using midpoint formula, PC is equal to PA plus PB divided by 12. Take it to this idea. Therefore, 2 times PC is equal to PA plus PB. You are using a midpoint formula. So therefore, D is the correct option here. So if A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar cross of B bar cross C bar, where A bar, B bar, C bar are any three vectors such that A bar dot B bar is not equal to 0, B bar dot C bar is also not equal to 0, then A bar and C bar are first option inclined at an angle of pi by 6 between them, second option perpendicular, third option parallel, fourth option inclined at an angle of pi by 3 between them. Therefore, here they given A bar cross of B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar cross of B bar cross of C bar here. Here use a vector triple product formula. According to that formula, A bar dot C bar, A bar dot of C bar into this vector B bar minus B bar dot C bar, B bar dot of C bar into this vector A bar here is equal to A bar dot C bar into B bar, A bar dot of C bar into the vector B bar minus of A bar dot B bar into C bar, A bar dot of B bar into the vector C bar. Here we can cancel both the terms here, both are same here. Hence a minus of B bar dot of C bar into A bar is equal to minus of A bar dot of B bar into the vector C bar. Here minus, this minus becomes a plus and cross multiply. So A bar is equal to A bar dot of B bar divided by B bar dot of C bar into C bar. So these are scalar term here. Okay, scalar units. Yes, this is in the form of A bar is equal to lambda into C bar here, where lambda is equal to A bar dot of B bar divided by B bar dot of C bar here. So this is a scalar quantity here. So if this condition satisfied, then A bar parallel to C bar. Therefore, A bar parallel to the vector C bar here. Okay. Hence A bar and C bar are parallel. Third option is correct. The non-zero vectors A bar, B bar and C bar are related by A bar is equal to 8 into B bar and C bar is equal to minus 7 into the vector B bar here. Here A bar equal to 8 into B bar means A bar and B bar are parallel to each other. So A bar is parallel to B bar. Okay. So here C bar equal to minus 7 into B bar. Into minus n is there. Hence C bar is anti-parallel to the vector B bar here. It means that A bar and B bar are parallel to each other. Means that they are having the same direction here. Okay. And C bar anti-parallel means it is in the opposite direction. Hence, A bar and C bar are anti-parallel. So therefore, A bar is anti-parallel to the vector C bar. Therefore, angle between A bar and C bar, angle between A bar and C bar is pi s. Because A bar is in this direction here, and C bar is in this direction. Then total this angle is pi s. Therefore, first option is correct here. So A bar is equal to J minus K. C bar is I minus J minus K. Then the vector B bar satisfying A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0 and A bar dot B bar equal to 3. Then what is the answer here? Therefore A bar cross of B bar plus C bar is equal to 0. Then taking a cross product of A bar on both sides here, A bar cross of A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross of C bar is equal to A bar cross of 0. Taking cross product of A bar on both sides here. Here is a vector triple product formula. A bar dot B bar. A bar dot of B bar into middle vector A bar here minus of A bar dot A bar. A bar dot of A bar into the vector B bar. Then plus A bar cross C bar here. So A bar cross of C bar, this becomes 0. Then A bar dot B bar here. Here they already given A bar dot B bar is 3. So right here 3 into A bar. So 3 into the vector A bar here minus of A bar dot A bar. You know A bar dot of A bar is equal to modulus of A bar square here. Here A bar is this vector here. So therefore it's a modulus here root of so 1 square plus minus 1 square here and it's a square here. Modulus of A bar is this one and whole square here. Square root and square cancels here. 1 plus 1 becomes 2 here. Therefore A bar dot A bar is 2 into vector B bar. 2 B bar. Then plus A bar cross C bar. So A bar cross of C bar is equal to A bar and C bar they already given here. So I J K then 0 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 here and here 1 minus 1 minus of 1 here. Okay, then expand it here. Therefore I into 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1 minus of minus 1 into minus 1 is a plus 1 minus of J 0 into minus 1 is a 0 minus 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1 minus minus plus 1 here plus K into so 0 into minus 1 is a 0 minus of 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. Hence minus of 2I then minus J then minus of K. So use it. A bar cross C bar is a minus of 2I. So minus of 2I minus J minus of K is equal to 0. Take minus 2 b bar right side here. Then 3 into vector a bar is this one here. J minus k. J minus k minus of 2i minus j minus k is equal to 2 into the vector b bar here. Then minus of 2i here. So minus 2i. 3 into j 3j minus j gives a plus 2j minus of 3k minus k minus 4k, that is equal to 2 into the vector b bar. Dividing both sets by 2, therefore b bar is equal to minus I plus j minus 2k. Minus I plus j minus 2k. First option is correct here. So, two vectors a bar and b bar they given here. Then the value of 2 a bar minus b bar. 2 a bar minus b bar dot of a bar cross b bar cross of a bar plus 2 into the vector b bar here is equal to what here? Yes, sir. This implies here this equal to 2 into a bar minus b bar. Keep as it is here. Then dot of. So a bar cross of this term here. So a bar cross b bar. A bar cross of b bar cross of a bar. Then a plus sign is that. So right here plus this cross of 2 b bar. A bar cross b bar cross of 2 into the vector b bar here. Let it complete here. Then this is equal to 2 a bar minus b bar. Keep as it is here. Then dot of. Here use a vector triple product formula. So a bar dot a bar. A bar dot of a bar into vector b bar minus of b bar dot a bar. B bar dot of a bar into vector a bar into a bar. Then plus then this dot of this here. Therefore a bar dot of 2 into b bar. 2 is a constant here. 2 a bar dot of a b bar. Then into right here bracket. Okay, into vector b bar, mid vector b bar here. Minus of this dot of this here. 2 into b bar dot b bar into this vector a bar. Okay, so this dot of this means 2 into a bar dot b bar into b bar minus this into this here. 2 into b bar dot b bar into the vector a bar. Therefore this equal to 2 a bar minus of b bar dot of a bar dot a bar is there. So you know a bar dot of a bar is equal to modulus of a bar square here. According to this vector here, 1 by root 10 here. 1 upon root 10 into root of. So 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1 here. So 9 plus 1 and it's a square here. It's a square. Then this will get cancelled here. Remaining is what here? 1 here. Therefore this becomes 1 into b bar is a b bar here. Minus of. B bar dot a bar is same as a bar dot b bar here. It's a dot product here. A bar dot of b bar is equal to root 10 into 7 here. 1 upon 7 root 10 here into bracket. So 3 into 2 becomes a 6 here. Then plus. And there is no j term here. 0 into 3 becomes a 0. Then 1 into minus 6 becomes a minus of 6 here. Okay. Therefore 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 at any time is a 0 here. Yes, a bar dot b bar or b bar dot a bar 0. This becomes a 0 here. And even this is also 0. Then minus of 2 into b bar dot b bar here. So b bar dot of b bar is a modulus of b bar square, that is equal to 1 by 7. 1 by 7 into root of so 2 squares are 4 here. Then 3 square is a 9 and 6 square is a 36 here. It's a square here. Therefore this is equal to 1 upon 7 into so 36 plus 4 40 plus and 49. Square root of 49 is a 7. It's a square here. So 7 and 7 cancels. Remaining is what here? 1. 1 square is 1 only. Therefore this becomes 1. 1 into a bar is a bar here. Okay. A bar dot a bar. This value 1. And b bar dot a bar is same as a bar dot b bar. This is 0. This is 0. And b bar dot b bar is also 1 here. Therefore here b bar minus 2 a bar. Take minus common factor. Minus is a common factorial. 2 a bar by b bar dot of 2 a bar minus of the vector b bar. Therefore this dot of this here minus of 2 a bar minus b bar, it's a square here. Then expand it here. So this is equal to minus of 4 into this term square here, modulus of a bar square plus modulus of b bar square here, modulus of b bar square minus of 4 into a bar dot b bar, a bar dot of b bar here. Therefore this is equal to minus of here modulus of a bar is 1 here, modulus of a bar square is 1, modulus of b bar square also 1, a bar dot b bar is 0. So this becomes 1 here. 1 into 4 becomes a 4. This is a 1 here. And this becomes a 0. 4 plus 1 is a 5. Hence a minus 5 is the answer here. Minus 5. So D is the correct option here.